up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This video was supposed to be a YouTube short, but the job ended up being a lot longer and more complicated than expected, and there was a lot of lessons that could be learned through it. So I thought I'd make a little bit of a longer video. And in the meantime, this is my new office space. Heck yeah! I'm gonna be making another video where I kind of deck out the background here, maybe put some LEDs and shelves on the wall to put my drones, but that'll be cool. So let's get into the video. What up, you guys? Welcome back. I got my drone here, bridge in downtown Columbus. So for this drone job today, we're gonna be filming a semi-truck going across this bridge here. So this company wants to get images and videos of their new logo and their new wrap on their semi-truck as it's driving across this bridge. It's honestly a good idea. It's probably gonna look nice. But I'm just waiting for my drone to update, waiting on the truck driver to arrive. And I actually got this job from this company called Dronegenuity. They're a drone services provider that got me this job. So shout out to them. Hopefully it goes well. Peace out. So then after that first time filming, I immediately sent some sample footage to the manager who was in charge of that flight, the guy who worked for the trucking company, and basically he said they want it to be a lot closer. They want to see more details on the side of the truck, and they also wanted me to fly kind of directly in front of the truck and then pan to the right as it comes by, so flying backwards over the road. And there's all these light posts everywhere on this bridge downtown, and so I told them that this is illegal. I cannot fly over the road, especially backwards, not knowing if there's going to be cars coming right in front of the truck. And I didn't want to risk my $9,000 drone smack into a pole as I'm trying to get this shot. So I told them this is not ideal. We're not able to do this unless we go to an open road out in the boondocks where there's going to be nobody on the road. Then we can do this shot. And then a couple days later, we rescheduled another shoot to get some closer up shots, and they also wanted to do some stationary shots where we're getting 360 video of the truck. And so we went to the same bridge, got a little bit closer to the truck in the footage, and then I did some 360 footage in an open parking lot at a gas station. And then we tried going out to an open road where we could try getting a little closer with a shot of the camera going right around the truck, following it for a little while. And that was still really difficult. It was just, honestly, it was a lack of communication and a lack of planning, which wasted my time. I didn't get paid any more to do these reshoots. I was just trying to be helpful and give them what they want. But the communication about what they wanted was unclear, because what I was told was something different, that they wanted shots from far away, kind of getting the city and getting the bridge and getting the logo, which you could see the logo. It's just they wanted it to be a lot closer. So I ended up telling them, you know, this is the best I can do with my drone, and that honestly for the shots they're looking for, it would probably be easier to use a handheld camera, either walking around or following the truck in another car with someone sticking their hand out the window. So this is an example of educating people about the capabilities that a drone can have, the legal ramifications that come with flying a drone, because oftentimes what the consumer's vision is not exactly plausible or doable with a drone because of things they don't know about. And so that's our job as the pilot, to educate them. And I should have done a better job planning beforehand, and trying to get kind of a better picture of what they want. And that's just the thing with, especially with these creative flights, with these more film marketing related flights where they want kind of a very subjective thing. It's difficult. You can't please everyone, and you as the artist, might I say, have to kind of listen to what the customer wants and do your best, but in the end you can't really please the consumer all the time. So learned a lot of lessons through this job and didn't get paid quite as much as I should have for the time I put in, but in the end I did my best and that's all I could do. And I know that the Dronegenuity company knows I tried my best, so hopefully we get more jobs from them. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.